Understanding Educational Software, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches the lives of students, teachers, and lifelong learners alike. We're talking about educational software. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what educational software is, its importance, and how it can benefit your English learning journey. Educational software refers to computer programs designed specifically for teaching or self-learning purposes. These programs can range from language learning apps, like the ones you might use to practice English, to complex simulation tools used in higher education for subjects like engineering or medicine. The key idea here is that educational software aims to enhance the learning experience, making it more interactive, accessible, and efficient. There are several types of educational software, each serving a different learning need. Tutorials and lessons. These programs guide you through new concepts step by step, often with interactive elements to test your understanding. Simulations. Offering virtual environments to explore real-world scenarios, simulations are great for subjects like science and history. Educational games. Combining learning with fun, these games make mastering new skills engaging and entertaining. Reference software. Think of digital encyclopedias or dictionaries that provide quick access to information and learning resources. The use of educational software comes with numerous benefits. Flexibility. Learn at your own pace, anywhere, anytime. Interactive learning. Engaging content keeps motivation high and enhances retention. Personalized experience. Many programs adapt to your learning style and progress, making your study time more efficient. Access to resources. A wealth of information and learning tools are at your fingertips, often for free or at a low cost. Choosing the right educational software depends on your learning goals, preferences, and level. Here are a few tips. Identify your needs. Are you looking to improve your grammar, vocabulary, or listening skills? There's software for each area. Read reviews. Look for feedback from other learners to gauge a program's effectiveness and suitability for your level. Try before you buy. Many programs offer free trials. Use them to see if the software meets your expectations. We hope this guide has illuminated the exciting world of educational software for you. Whether you're learning English or diving into a new subject, there's a wealth of digital tools out there designed to enhance your learning experience. Remember, the right software can be a powerful ally on your educational journey. Thank you for watching, and happy learning! Remember, keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in our next video.